Meet Noelle. She's taking her little one for a stroll. Like a lot of new moms, she's frustrated with her figure and struggling with that last bit of baby bulge. Luckily, there's a non-surgical procedure that can help moms, or any woman, transform herself. It's called Coolsculpting, developed by Harvard scientists and offered only by licensed physicians. Coolsculpting's innovative, non-invasive technology freezes and naturally eliminates fat from the body. This breakthrough procedure can safely eliminate fat with no needles, no special diets, no exercise programs, and no downtime. Best of all, you can have the body you want without altering your entire lifestyle. Ask a Coolsculpting provider for a consultation to see if Coolsculpting is right for you. Transform yourself with Coolsculpting.
So one of the services I do here in my treatment room is Coolsculpting. And Coolsculpting, if you have seen the commercials, is the way you eliminate the subcutaneous fat. And in order to get Coolsculpting, you have to see me for a consultation. The consultation is free. And at that consultation, I'll fit you with some templates. These templates kind of determine which applicator I would be using on you and how many of each treatment you would need. Typically, the most popular size is the Cool Advantage, and you can see how Coolsculpting works is this is placed over the area to be treated, and a vacuum, is engaged, and it will pull in the fat that's just under the surface. And once you are, comfortable, then we engage the cooling, which is at 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you have the freezing happening. Within about 5 minutes, you go numb, so you won't feel any pain really with it. The initial pain is just a little bit of tugging, and then of course the cold sensation that you'll feel. We protect the skin using a gel pad. The gel pads are sized according to what size applicator we use. So that's how we protect the skin. You won't get frostbite or anything like that.
Coolsculpting targets and cools fat cells to temperatures that trigger their natural death. Importantly, because lipids in fact crystallize faster than normal cells, there is no damage to nerves or other tissue. Over the next few weeks and months, the fat cells shrink and begin to die as the patient's own body metabolizes them and naturally eliminates them. The overall fat layer is significantly reduced, which results in a noticeable and measurable reduction in the fat bulge around the targeted flank.
You exercise, you eat right, you do everything you can to look and feel your best. The sad truth is, sometimes that just isn't enough. Most of us form stubborn areas of excess fat. That muffin top, or those love handles. Bulges that are immune to diet and exercise. So your jeans don't fit. Your little black dress is too little, and your mojo is MIA. But now there is something you can do to get rid of the bulges that are keeping you from feeling your best. Coolsculpting is a revolutionary new contouring treatment that uses the power of cooling to eliminate stubborn fat the safe, non-surgical way. Developed by Harvard scientists, this contouring treatment is FDA cleared for fat reduction with proven results seen in clinical studies. So how does Coolsculpting work? It all begins with a consultation where you and your doctor will assess your problem areas and create a treatment plan based on your goals and realistic expectations. Then you'll book an appointment to lose that stubborn fat. On your Coolsculpting treatment day, you should arrive wearing loose, comfortable clothing. The technician will apply a gel pad to protect your skin. Then the applicator delivers vacuum pressure and cooling to the targeted site. As the applicator pulls the bulge into the cooling panels, you will feel a firm tug and pinching and intense cold. There may initially be some tingling, but this typically subsides as the area gets numb. The fat cells are targeted and cooled, triggering their natural death. And because fat is more sensitive to cold, surrounding tissue and muscles are not affected. Over the course of the next few weeks, your body begins to naturally eliminate the dead fat cells. As the fat cells are eliminated, the remaining cells condense, resulting in an overall reduction of the fat layer. Depending on your personalized plan and goals, your treatment may last from 1 to 3 hours. When you're finished, you can return to your normal activities, including your workout routine. Some side effects may occur, including bruising and redness, numbness, soreness, or tingling, but they are only temporary. In the weeks and months that follow, you will see an undeniable reduction of fat, and as long as you maintain your healthy lifestyle, the treated fat cells won't come back. In your follow-up visit, your doctor will take after photos so you can really see how effective your Coolsculpting treatment was. You and your doctor will assess your results to determine if you would like to have another treatment on the same area or treat other problem areas. Best of all, your clothes and your confidence will be exactly where you want them. Your little black dress will fit just right. You'll make peace with your two-piece. Your physique in that t-shirt will turn heads again. And those jeans won't be topped off with unwanted bulges of fat. You have the power to get back your swagger. You deserve to look and feel your best without surgery or downtime. It only takes an hour to own your mojo once more. Reclaim the real you with Coolsculpting.
Running, cycling, yoga, you name it, I do it. Being an avid athlete, I've dropped 3 dress sizes over the years, but I was still unhappy with my thighs. It got to where I wouldn't wear shorts unless I was incognito or on vacation. So when my magazine editor asked me to try the Coolsculpting procedure for a story, I was skeptical, but I did it, and it's been huge for my confidence. Recently, I was at a party with some super skinny friends with great legs, and you know what? I wore shorts, and it felt great. Totally confident.
When I was chosen from the Dr. Oz Show audience to get the Coolsculpting treatment, I didn't have any idea how much it would change my life. It gave me new confidence, self-esteem. I got braces. I went back to school. It was like an awakening, a new me. And with my daughter's wedding next summer, I am so motivated. The Coolsculpting procedure was painless for me, and the results last. I don't have to suck in my stomach anymore, and I couldn't be happier.
In this business, looking good is always a factor. It's about respect. It's part of my job. As a former performer myself, I know appearances are important. A couple years ago, I noticed there were parts of my body that were not responding to my workouts. The Coolsculpting procedure was the perfect solution for me. It froze off my fat and didn't interfere with my tight schedule. I like to wear fitted shirts, and now I can.
Dancing was all I ever wanted to do, and I built a very successful career. But then a hamstring injury meant I couldn't exercise. I got out of shape and even lost a major job. Trust me, nobody wants a dancer with bulges. The Coolsculpting procedure didn't just give me a better body, it did wonders for my confidence. I'm back and ready to take my career to the next level.
My 5-year-old was keeping me busy, and I thought I was doing pretty well. But diet and exercise can only get you so far. One day, I found some of my pre-baby clothes in the closet. Nothing fit. That's when I knew it was time to take the next step and try the Coolsculpting procedure. It was an easy procedure, absolutely no downtime. So yes, I'm very happy with the way I look and have a lot more confidence now.